this lipstick, by the way. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit, and as you can see, this amazing makeup look is what I came out today. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye! Welcome, my name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this amazing blue makeup look. So to begin, I'm gonna use the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, and I'm gonna spread it out using the tip of my fingers because I really recommend this palette. As you can see here, the shades are amazing. So I'm gonna kind of fade the darkest green of this palette in my crease. So to fade this color, I'm gonna use a very big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna be adding the product a little bit time. And as this palette is very pigmented and amazing, as you can see here, I grabbed just a little tiny bit of product, but I'm gonna add not just in the outer corner, as you can see I'm doing here. I'm gonna add also in the lower lash line, but very tight in the root of my lashes, this darkest green color. And next I'm gonna be using this amazing teal green from the palette. As this color is very pigmented and buttery, I have a better payoff doing like this. Then I really like to apply right on top of a primer for a long-lasting effect. And next I'm gonna apply the same metallic shade in the lower lash line using a firm shader brush, smudging it out with the darkest green that I applied. And now to highlight, I'm gonna use the lightest green just in the tear duct of my eyes. This color is very beautiful and kinda brings some light area. And now I'm gonna apply glitter. This is the blue glitter by Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply using a normal eyeshadow brush because I want just a few glitter. To conclude this makeup look, I'm gonna just add my fake lashes. And for today's video, I do have my skin done already, but now I'm gonna just kinda match this look with my blush. So I'm gonna use Collie Dream by Melt Cosmetics as well. And to apply, I'm gonna use this Poly Duster brush by Sigma by Ofra Cosmetics. I love this highlighter. So I'm gonna apply this highlighter in the highest points of my face, and the next step is to apply lipstick. So for this look, as you can see here, I do have color in my eyes, lipstick by the way. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit, and as you can see, this amazing makeup look is what I came out today. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!